In many professional settings, we are asked to make sense of behaviour. A child who avoids reading, loses their place, moves frequently, struggles to sustain attention. These are often the moments where interpretation begins. Different explanations are applied. Sometimes attention is considered, sometimes motivation, sometimes behaviour, and each of those explanations offers a partial view. There is another layer that is less frequently explored, not eyesight as such, but how the visual system is functioning during real-world tasks. There are visual differences that are not fully corrected by glasses. They can affect how the eyes work together, how they track across text, and how long they can comfortably sustain focus. When that system is under strain, the impact is not always visible. What we see instead is how the person is responding to that demand, pausing, shifting, looking away, disengaging, responses to load rather than indicators of intent. Research indicates that some visual difficulties co-occur more frequently with ADHD, which means that in some cases more than one factor may be present at the same time. This is where differential diagnosis becomes important, as a process of broadening understanding. Asking, what might be contributing here? What might be interacting? These visual differences are not always obvious. They are not typically identified in a classroom. They may not be detected in a standard sight test, and they are often only recognised when assessment looks beyond visual acuity and considers how the visual system is functioning. When this layer is not considered, the overall understanding remains incomplete, and that shapes the support that follows. So the question becomes, what is this person experiencing when they are asked to engage in this task? What might they be experiencing that we haven't considered? And what factors might be contributing to that experience? Because when we expand the questions and the inquiry, we move closer to understanding what is actually happening, and that is where better decisions begin.